the perfect turkey for your perfect kitchen that I can help you find. Thanksgiving is around the corner, and it's time to don your aprons, grab your basters, and take your kitchen on a culinary joyride. But here's the thing. If you're not feeling inspired by your current kitchen, it might be time for a change. And lucky for you, your favorite realtor, hi, it's me, is here to help you find the kitchen of your turkey roasting dreams. But first, let's talk turkey. Not metaphorically, but literally. The juiciest, crispiest, most show-stopping bird you can serve at the table. Ready? Let's dive into the recipe before I show you how I can find a kitchen worthy of this masterpiece. Recipe for the ultimate Thanksgiving dinner. Ingredients: 1 turkey, 12 to 14 pounds, half a cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika for that golden glow, 1 lemon halved, 1 onion quartered, a handful of fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, and sage, 2 cups turkey or chicken stock. Instructions: prep like a pro. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Pat the turkey dry with paper towels. This is key for crispy skin. Bonus realtor tip: a double oven would come in handy right now, wouldn't it? Butter it up. In a bowl, mix the softened butter, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Gently loosen the turkey skin with your fingers and spread this magical mixture under the skin, over the skin, and basically anywhere butter dreams of going. Stuff with love. And lemons. Stuff the cavity with the lemon halves, onion quarters, and those fragrant fresh herbs. They'll perfume the turkey from the inside out. Roast to perfection. Place the turkey on a roasting rack in a large pan. Pour the stock into the bottom of the pan to keep things moist. Roast uncovered, basting every 30 minutes until the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees in the thickest part of the bird. Plan for about 15 minutes per pound. Rest before the big reveal. Once out of the oven, let the turkey rest for about 30 minutes before carving. This is the perfect time to sip wine and dream about that double island kitchen I can help you find. Why your turkey deserves a new kitchen? Let's face it, cooking a turkey like this deserves a kitchen that's up to the task. Imagine double ovens for the turkey and the sides. A spacious island where everyone gathers to admire your turkey carving skills. Custom cabinetry to keep your basters, spices, and secret recipes organized. A deep farmhouse sink to make cleanup a breeze. You've earned it. Whether your current kitchen feels more cramped than cozy, or you just dream of a chef-inspired upgrade, I can help you find the perfect space to whip up all your holiday favorites. So as you savor that first bite of turkey this year, ask yourself, does my kitchen spark joy? If the answer is meh, let's chat. Together we'll find you a home where the oven's always hot, the fridge is never too small, and the memories flow as freely as the gravy. Happy Thanksgiving and happy house hunting. Your favorite realtor, Margaret.